Hi everyone, welcome back to my quilt room. I have something that I want to show you today. This is just going to be a real quick informational clip video. I get a lot of questions sometimes about the quilt that I have hanging in the background of the opening credit on the YouTube channel. And it's this quilt right here. And it is called, the name of the quilt is Hazel and Blooms, and it's a fig tree and company pattern. I made this many years ago and I do really like it. It's made with a lot of reproduction fabrics, and I recognize that they came from Connecting Threads because I do buy a lot of their patterns and their material. This one, it's quite challenging if you decide to go to their website and buy the pattern. It has some really tiny little pieces. Sometimes I do like to make a quilt that I feel like is a challenge. And if you can see from the picture, as you put half of one block together, it begins, the next row begins the next set of blocks. So it's quite tedious to put together. But if you have like a design wall or a place on the floor that you can lay your pieces out as you sew them together and put it together, I didn't really have any problems. But like I said, you can see in the picture there's lots of these little tiny places where you snowball, and they're extremely small, maybe they come out 3/4 of an inch. But the name of the pattern is Hazel and Blooms, and I believe it came in 2 sizes. This one, it has 50 by 59, and it's, I guess they call it a, I don't know, a lap size, but it is big enough to cover up under on the sofa. But I wanted to answer that question because I've gotten it so many times. People have asked me about the quilt that's in the opening. So that's all that I have to say for you right now. Till next time, we'll see you later. Bye.